Hello, my name is Matias Esquivel, and I'm going to be talking about problems normal paper has. Paper is one of the most useful and important materials humans have created because it helps us just like to write things down or for entertainment and a lot of important things. But unfortunately, there are also a lot of problems. One of them could be that it needs a lot of protection because if you put it in a backpack or something, it can get wrinkled and destroyed and broken, and obviously you don't want that. Another one is like the opposite of our main topic, which is waterproof paper, because if water gets spilled over, or if you just starts raining and have a paper outside, it gets destroyed and everything you wrote on it, and if you had a picture or something, the ink will spread and it would get destroyed.
Okay, so welcome everyone. For our Semper project, we decided to try to do a type of waterproof paper. For our prototype, of course, we're not gonna have anything very fancy because it's still paper. But we did wanted to do a comparison to a type of waterproof paper that is not our final project and like a normal paper to show the difference between both. So if you can see, this is like the normal paper with a chicken drawn in it, and I mean, if we wet it even a little bit, it's gonna start getting all crumbly, and it's just gonna break so easily, and it's really all ruined. Now imagine if this wasn't a drawing, but it was like an important document or your quiz or something important like legal papers. This is why we thought that at least, maybe not for drawings, but for other things, it's important to maybe have a type of waterproof paper. Now, my friend here is going to show you the waterproof paper that we did as a prototype.
Hello, I'm Lacey, and today I'll be showing you the example between regular paper and waterproof paper. So what I have right now is the waterproof paper, and as you can see here, there's already a drawing on it, and here's my cup of water. I don't know if you can see the water, but it's in there. Anyway, I'm gonna pour the water. As you can see, the water just slides off, and this can just be wiped off with like a napkin or whatever you have on you, and the paper isn't damaged. So that's great, right? And its texture isn't a lot different from regular paper. It's a little glossier, and shinier than normal paper, but it's actually pretty easy to get used to it. And I honestly think it's much nicer than regular paper, especially since, it won't get ruined if anything, if anything gets spilled on it. So that's amazing.
Why does waterproof paper can help and benefit the world? In my opinion, it helps mainly on maintaining things, and also it helps because it is difficult to break. And it helps on many accidents, it will damage the paper. This can be used also on paper and on folder. In our interview, 9 of 10 people agreed that it is the most big problem on paper, that they are not waterproof.
Okay, so the prototype we make is going to help us visualize how the actual product will look like. With the prototype or the blueprint, we found out that it would be a lot harder than we thought, making the actual product waterproof. But after a lot of research, we found out that in the actual final product, the paper will be waterproof and it will be resistant to the different conditions of any liquid thrown into it.